A series of incidents over the past 2 weeks have rocked military outposts on the Russian-occupied Crimean Peninsula. On August 9, there were several large explosions at the Saki Air Base in western Crimea, about 130 miles south of the war's frontline. The airbase primarily hosted aviation forces of the Russian Black Sea Fleet, which is headquartered in nearby Sevastopol, and the explosions destroyed or severely damaged at least 8 Russian aircraft. At the time, Russia claimed the explosions were caused by an accident. However, evidence suggests that they were the result of a Ukrainian attack. On August 16, a Russian ammunition dump exploded in the village of Maysky near the city of Jankoy in northern Crimea. According to the British Defense Ministry, a nearby railway and electricity substation were also damaged. Jankoy is an important road and rail junction connecting Crimea to the rest of Ukraine. One of the peninsula's major airfields is also located close by. The same day, smoke was reportedly seen rising from Gradisky Air Base in central Crimea, another important military outpost. However, satellite imagery examined by defense outlet The War Zone indicated that there was no visible damage to the base or its aircraft or other signs of an attack. The incidents have led Russia to move at least 24 jets and 14 helicopters back to Russia or to bases deeper inside Crimea to protect them, according to the Ukrainian intelligence services. Moving those assets farther from the front lines could make it harder for Russia to use them in support of its operations in Ukraine. Although the 8 aircraft lost at Saki are a small number of the total Russia has committed to the conflict, their loss further degrades the capabilities of the Black Sea Fleet, which lost its flagship, Moskva, in April. The fleet's surface ships continue to pursue an extremely defensive posture, with patrols generally limited to waters within sight of the Crimean coast, the British Defense Ministry said on August 16. Even though the fleet continues to conduct long-range missile attacks against Ukrainian targets, its limited effectiveness undermines Russia's overall invasion strategy, partly because the amphibious threat to Odessa has now been largely neutralized, allowing Ukraine to move its troops elsewhere, the ministry added. Asked about the explosions during a briefing on August 19, a U.S. defense official said, "We are seeing this overarching picture of Russian forces being much more vulnerable than they thought they were, and we are seeing movements of Russian forces as a result to try to protect their capabilities." The recent incidents have also affected the morale and sense of security of Russians in Crimea. Following the explosions at Saki Air Base, thousands of civilians, many of them vacationers, appeared to leave the peninsula.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.